What is currently on my hook? Well, I'm making some lovely flowers. So this yellow anchor pearl cotton thread, 1.75 mm hook, and of course my favorite pair of scissors. And this is what I'm making. Make a magic ring and 5 SCs in the magic ring. One, two, three, 4 and 5. I'll pull the thread, try to get the stitches together and slip stitch into the very first SC. Ensure that you are taking both the loops. This would be my center. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 DCs in the same space. Now please understand, I am going to pull the loop little longer so that it will give a good length to my petal. Yarn over, pull up a loop little longer, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So 2, 3 and 4. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch into the same space. This is going to be my first petal. Now slip stitch into the next space. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 DCs in the same space, and these DCs are little longer DCs so that the height matches with the 4 chains that I have made. After 4 DCs, chain 4, slip stitch into the same space, slip stitch into the next space. See, now I'm done with 2 petals. Chain 4, four DCs, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch into the same space. This completes my third petal. Slip stitch into next space, chain 4, 4 DCs in the same space, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch into the same space, This is my fourth petal done. Slip stitch into the next space, chain 4, 4 DCs in the same space, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch into the same space, now slip stitch one more time in the next space, and chain 1, pull up a loop and cut the yarn. And the flower is ready. Now I'll pull the center.